Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You want bokeh now, so pick a fast lens and open the aperture wide. Set your camera to aperture priority or manual, then dial to the lowest f number your lens allows. That gives a shallow depth of field which blurs the background. Move your subject closer to the lens and keep the background far away. Distance matters. Once done, focus on the subject's eyes or key detail. Make sure autofocus is precise. If it hunts, switch to single point AF and recompute your composition. Now refine how that blur looks by controlling focus and perspective. Use single point autofocus and place that point on the subject's nearest detail because correct plane of focus is critical. Otherwise, the background wins. If you can, step back and zoom in or use a longer focal length to compress the scene. That increases blur without changing aperture. Pay attention to background highlights. Point light sources become circular bokeh, so arrange them for attractive shapes and avoid busy textures that create distracting patterns. Finish by balancing exposure and testing variations, because small changes alter bokeh character. Confirm shutter speed is fast enough for handheld use and raise ISO only as needed. Use a tripod for longer exposures. Try different apertures and lenses to learn each lens's blade rendering and edge roll-off. If you aren't getting creamy blur, move the background farther away or stop down 1 or 2 stops. Alternatively, change angle or choose a different focal length. If highlights are ugly, remove clutter or soften lights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.